Nezije nesanga abantu obasimye ekinyawo nenga balina ensuuluulu balina ennyondo nze saabafuddeko nnyo nempitawo nenadde mbayitako bwe nadde maze mbayitako nagenza okuwulira nga ndi wansi nga bankube bakayondo.
Wanted to beat me up. They got the hammer. They said they are going to beat me up. Me and the director, they are going to beat me up and they are going to kill me.
Wena batakeche bakozere eki nekintu kitashikire akugomanda gona nukwata buri yomwe.
Obwinazi buretire abarukuri ishomero rya Nsambya Hillside Western Campus eri kushanga umurembo orwambarra kandi ahacyaro ecyanyakasi rwa Churches Ward Nyakayojo omurimbarra City South Division okurara batabyami. Ninye akatura Nelson we bari mnyano wanje kwise no rebera mu Kiga TV ayichompaho ne cyamanyo ora kusubscribinga ukakomentinga ukayikinga kandi turukoma nari chompaho video ukayishare nyirogo muntu akasaba nafuna amakuru kabisa nyina kumanyisa ngo program eji mpane teme sente batahibitu aba link suits yakushanga mu rurembo orwambarra omurakatete Kampala wahingura St Mary's boda stage kandi ampaho zimaze no kushanga aba link suits abakuno bohereza obutari mwe na bumwe bine steam sauna kandi na accommodation bweto buraro buzimazima wararo mistanda cyaba link suits to kubasa kubano yijusha kubanga music bakutera ninunji kandi nemere ya link suits ebonire mwana wa mama bakusena teka awe hona kubasa kuburi bakusemere inshonge tambura kurunja aba link suits bino bohereza bwinji munonga kare kwasa ko riyo kwempaho rwenda ko funo bohereza bwempaho batera nto mishanje ibiri nkaga nemwe atani 5 chena ni 5 nanga noto mshanju not emwe nkaga nemwe atani 5 chena ni 5 nono funa ba link suits abakushanga mu rembo rwambarra umurakatete Kampala wahingura St Mary's boda stage nyanja kwizusye ndaro mushira mweta 16 mularo gumpa mnyano wanje abasebona aragayo yajya ngo yandubwa meya bwambarra city so abanyambarra ndano ko manyisa ngo mushije gumpa mwamara murebero kwempaho mumwerekera ukundo kandi enshonge tambure kurunji mnyano wanje ari ya Mukiga TV nagar kanshonga ezansambya Hillside Western Campus kandi ejimpaha el secondary erikwegesa abana abampaha bagureme kikangawa na shi entisa bwanyima y'umukozi wabo ndabura Bashiru okuterwa abamwe abataka bechange chimpaha ubwanyima yo kucinga oruguto orukuzahishomera impaha kandi rikoyengerayo nanoko mpaho ahiguru ombyaro
nabadde nvaire ku munana ngava kunywa cyayi nezije nesanga abantu obasimye ekinyawo nenga balina ensuuluulu balina ennyondo nze saabafuddeko nnyo nempitawo nenadde mbayitako bwe nadde maze mbayitako nagenza okuwulira nga ndi wansi nga bankube bakayondo oba kisuuluulu nengwa wansi sazeemu okutegeera ngenza okuddamu okutegeera nga ndi wano ku ssomero n'essimu yange baagitutte ne ssente zadde mwaleti baazitutte kyenyinza okubagamba kyenyinza okujjukira singa omutogolo gwonnuma okusinga wano ne vivi lino n'ekino ekibigagaga kino nabo bati wano kyamazima siyinza kulima naye nga babadde mu kusima bibadde bakozesa kuba badde n'enkumbi ensuuluulu n'ennyondo badde basimisa ndowooza kale siyinza kugamba nti bankubye kino omutunga ne bw'okimanyi nti omuntu okukuba obukubi n'ogwa buguyeri nga tutegedde kyakubisiza nenga zinadde babadde bakutte
wano tambudomu
nabadde ndi omu
wena nomukuwala byeko gwategedde
ate munayinza eno kati sibamanyi siyinza kugamba nti nabadde babadde enkofiira
enshongezi mpaha ezansambya Hillside Western Campus na n'abaturage abanyakasi village wa Churches Ward omulinyakayo Jombara State South nyinazo kutere hanuya ozuhurikirize nko kuzitambwiri.
Nakazi Jamila is my name. I'm the teacher of Nsambya Hillside Western Campus. Yesterday we received a problem at around 10. My older, the one who actually makes the beds in school, was attacked at around 10 p.m. in a very terrible condition when he was coming to Munana to the school. They brought him with some of the other builders who were coming from Munana, and he was in a very terrible state. We had to call the LC chairperson at night, but I think he was not picking the calls. We have just talked to him this morning, and we tried to give treatment. Right now, he has been taken to the hospital, but he was beaten. I was surprised that he was beaten near the other second road that was dug, that I did not even have notice about, because on Monday there were some natives who came here Actually, I got to know about it when I was in the office. A boda man told me that he's hurrying to pass. They are closing the passage. Then I had to rush out to the area where they were digging the road, and I was asking those members what is the cause of blocking us passage. They were speaking. First of all, we had a language barrier. Until when I changed to English, they wanted to beat me up. They got the hammer. They said they are going to beat me up. Me and the director, they are going to beat me up and they are going to kill me. So they actually, first of all, confiscated my phones. They took them because they were not talking to me at first when I was taking a video. But when they started talking to me, I arrested the case and I told them, please, this is a public what? A public road. Why are you blocking it? I demanded the reason because me as a worker is not accessing, is spoiling the access of our parents, of the people of the road, and it's a public what? It's a public road. So I was surprised tonight that they have even dug another one at night, and that's where the order got attacked from. So I'm calling upon authorities. We have issues in school whereby even when teachers are coming in, by the time it comes to 8, they cannot cross over. They cannot cross over, they have to sleep in Imbarara. We have issues, a lot of insecurity. We need lights along this road. And I think also some police and other authorities could come in and help us. Bodas have to leave. They also fear to actually come this side of the school at night. They have to leave by 8. There's no one. So which means when learners or parents are coming at 8, they cannot access the school. So that is the incident that has happened right now. We are calling upon authorities because now this school is supporting very many people. It has been there for over 10 years. We have an enrollment which is going to 400, and someone coming in to cross the road, digging the road and saying that I'm going to hammer you and kill you. There's no notification that was given to me, and when I tried to demand why they were crossing a public road, they threatened me that they are going to kill me with a hammer. So there was no explanation, no notice, apart from cutting us off. I was surprised this morning, again, they have dug another one. And that's where they attacked the welder from. They took all his phones. They started beating him up. He stopped understanding. They just carried him in school at night.
When did the first incident happen?
It happened on Monday. And I was notified by a boda man who had brought someone in school that I'm on a hurry. They have blocked the road. So that's why I had to come in and I demanded for the reason as why they are cutting us off. They told me they are supposed to kill me. I should not actually ask. I said, is there any documentation as to why you're blocking us? Because this is a public road. I was not given an answer, apart from threatening me that they are going to kill me. And they dug the road for some hours and later they left. I don't know about any conflict, me as a worker. Yes, because I've never seen people come to our school about conflicts. In my school, for the time I've been in that office, I don't have any conflict. What I know, I've been in good cooperation with the members, the LCs, etc. I've never conflicted. When I was asking the man for his identity, he pointed at me at that plantation. And I was saying, where is the house? They refused to give me serious identification. But I took the pictures and the videos. Because they were telling me they are going to kill me. And so because my issue was demanding as to why they are closing the road. And they said, I don't need to ask, I don't need to know. They were saying, we are coming from there. And there was no notification that was given to me. They dug for some hours because they had the fighting equipment. Personally, I was threatened by a hammer. There was a gentleman I had coming from Bishop Stewart. There was a gentleman who was so old, working with some of the teenagers who had the fighting equipment, and they could not even give you time to talk. They grabbed me with my phones, and I had no option apart from giving in. And I said, please, I'm very sorry, let me go back.
Amazina ndi natamba na umenyanrohe aho group y'abantu yaba tuze bija batimba oruguuto rwitu barudestroyinga ishomereri rutwire sente nyingi kurutekaho oruguuto oru rwatwarwa sente nyingi kurutekaho rwakorwa itwe nkabakama bishomereri twakoresa sente nyingi kandi nangwana n'abataka bashemerwa abo kubora oruguuto rutari rubi munonga jerekyetangwo abataka bija barwatatinda barutimbatimba pipe bazitwapirinda to the government and authorities mazima mwije mutuyambe ahabwo kuba abatata barengize abo tuba tubarigira aha omutata omwe yatahirira my mother eruguroku yijo mchuro yarara na mterete ninda yagamba bwashesha yagamba kwa tuza kumwita yagamba kwa tuza kwita mutabanuwe so really police mutubeta mutuyambe authorities and the government should also come in abo kuba tuinokutina kwinji munonda. If really these people can come and destroy such a road that takes millions and millions of people, that help people transact and do their businesses, noreba ngwata binatamani mwena nishaba polisi mije mutuyambe government etwatereho etuteto mbuteka na naba bataka bitu tubase kugumza muntu korangana je nabo nkokutoyintu korangana nabo. My name is Natamba Naomi Nyangohe, part of Nsambya Hillside community, part of the owners. We got disturbed last night when our locals here came and attacked one of our workers, and really had to beat him beyond because the man is in coma, and also went ahead and destroyed this road that has been really helping people, that has been helping our locals, and also Nsambya Hillside community. Really, it is so absurd. We call on police and the government to come and help us, because this is an enterprise that has helped so many people in this country, because we have so many students that study from here. So we call upon police to take action and authorities to come and help us. And also these locals did not stop on this. They had to, one of them, actually the neighbor to my mother, had to come at night and attack her. Threatened and talked too much to my old mother, and my mother had to abandon her home because it was unbearable. I personally had to drive at night and come and check on her. The man talked till morning, threatening, beating the doors, and my mother had to really vacate the house, and she's now seeking refuge somewhere else. For sure, government and police, help us, take action, help us. Let's put these locals in order so that we live together in harmony and peace. Chairman wa Serege no bagitanya kasa kandi nyemerira habwe enshonga yo muhando ogu za kuraba Nsambya kagumza mukakwatana no gwanya kasa kuni yeruguru kuza rwacishakize na Kibingo so go muhanda no muhanda gwitu gwa kare kandi gutwireho konka abantu bizire kiro bagushisha bagutema bagucekanasa haturuda bantina ho kuraba kandi abantu omuri tobe cyaro ampaha naturabya mu ibyo bushubuzi abe bitokene baraba ikini zarabo motoka ne zarabo haza inshongerigire aharuguru bakatema umuhanda gutunga meruguru konka kunagambira hono wagutemire yangira ngo kayija gutereze hazana chairman RCC akatikaho nawe yamugambira ngo kayija gutereze konka bira biyamuhira nabyo tubikashikire urida hatizereho abantu intekateka ngo aba bantu abakozere ikintu cyo batari ibintu bingi bari abantu baki intekateka ubwo umuntu ukozere zero abakorera zero kabiri ziri hangwe kandi tukabire ntucumanye mwene okwesharinga oku kuminjira no kumuntu kwasa kubata abantu kabasha tubana kabata musinte bakabareta kaza bakesharingira unanga batana akwe batabakuze kitwa kwasa kikabantu 20 noreba ngo nakantu kace kuba kuzire tukorwa abantu binjaka kandi okwesharinga oku kwene kumanywa abantu almost zero yone kwene bakimanya nandi yumusero nandi yo nindonda karuru ka fraga bet tine muntu unashanga kunu yanamanyikiriyo niwa hibanterera hini abinandi munini zira abantu abunara bahundu kwija kunuya
tine muntu uwabanagira ati bagwisire n'abantu batangara ako muhanda ogu kuri yeruguru no muhanda uguru kutungama kuno no muhanda ukurga kuno ahameye ni ukatujoyininga n'ugundi ukuza kurga kibingu kaza rwa kishakizi kandi ugura no kutungama kaza yeruguru umurusozi na nabantu babariyo tugwa kubiri gwina kakwate to kwesharingera to kusiga kuri yo muhanda ari gwafa kandi ukijo kesharingera hari yo gugundo gutafira ningira ngo abantu tweje umuntu waza kwesharinga shime kubana yesharingera aha kintu icyo cyenyine icyumuruho cy'umukuru Rwanda kunka toshemirire kusigisobwa icyumwa kwenu mwisharingera kandi mukaza kindi hakuba turi kuvuga n'umuntu akaniyo muhanda kucikamo wawe yukarwa akaniyo mu kibuga cye nerye shobi mwene shabangu tuka government tuza kugezaho kureba ngo abantu abakozi reki twageraho kutwabatebekanisa no kutwa kandi twacondoza twabamanya bareba ngo ikintu cyo bakoze ni kibi kandi bashimire nabo kupanishingwa tushime kuba no kuri ikintu nk'eki haruguto nko rwanya igendo bari kugenda mu bantu bingi shomereri nangwa nyona nyuru kugamba ati nyine mu mwana umushomereri konka abana barumu ne 10 nange mutwaro ne mitwaro eri shomero nerya abantu bona neryi hanga ryona niriyamba nyoweri yambe nankari yamba na nimwe abari abanyamahurire n'abandi bantu abaryaha neryo kuyamba itwa abantu twina barya nirshemesa abana batari ba sereji
Odga murimbarra ninga notekateka kwijo murimbarra abaling suits beno buraro bwamani munonga kandi benene bitanda birungi tibakakoma buraro benene bala nungi bozirimecho kumyo cyaburi muringo benene hotelo halimu emere yachiraguju nangwa n'ekijungu kandi orende emere yo kutwaro waba baling suits naco barachikora eco mujungu ari kweta ngo niteka we bene na sauna na steam ogesro na massage basa kubura bayicira kugira ngo akoboherezobwe parking yabo ne yamani munonga kandi nimpango ebyo kwerinda byabo biri guruguru munonga kandi abaling suits barashango mu Rwembo rwambara omuri Katete waruga parking ya boda boda ya St Mary's ori kwenda kubukingo rabasa kurabera namba ze smeji ziro mushanje 5 mwenda 21 5 kaga na mwenda kandi orabasa kugamba na director wa link suits ori kurabera namba ze smeji ziro mushanje 0 kaga nemwe 5 ogesro ne ya ziro mushanje ibiri kaga nemwe 5 twena katirukangira link suits kugira ngo tutungo buhereza burungi
amazina ganira bayita Frank Tomuriro bashija nkijaho mwakagwa nubwo cyane nashangaho uruguturu kuza connectinga main road azo bwirogwe kandi rero engineerity yeho kana kuri mukansu so wali na maintaining na tunashira na twaturaje na mataka na nyina gunata na kuri buto kumuntu akonye na ngabo no watuna tukukuzi agmendi kwa ndikora kuna ngenda kuna hirwa ija odizo muntu Richard Mwesigwa ije nduka ya sana kundu kaishumi kwa namshimego mnonga wakwana nikamanya twaza kugira abantu tuwa nabo barungi turetera cyane cyangwa cyo kurakurana mwene yankwaso guturu twarikora muri we okukushati so still maintained by me and him when kumbire lyaho na yetira abataka bakogukuruguru bija hashangana bartimba akwanja nababuza kashaba uki ngucyade munwana wawe mukamusho nareri twina ngwazo kuruguru kashinaje kasho kumezera ko muntu ubwo tukanarwa twena kandi kwesa ati mu mujya kutanza muta rocha da kursu rugutu n'abandi bantu wenda bajya mu cyura ko tumushimire kuba ufitabaza mukaba tusicuta mutegereze hanyuma atabaza babacweremo bagenda kumwawe ndiyo nahora ngo baza ishomero batimbura umuhanda w'utumentikora hano umuhanda wo gurucara biratirimo sente nyingi mno abukwe nangu umuhanda wo kuyambe yitwa bataka n'ishuri ruca dogu cyaro cyakuriye mno amashanyarazi akumukuriye bago agakuza ishomero uwagira umusenta agasi ishomero amezi kapitotine meza ngwa yagire umusenta agahita akagusya kununga none buri umwe kunana hata atanye na mezi ava Richard buri umwe ayina amashanyarazi ukubasi ava Richard so Richard no muntu biro tungwira munonge cyareki ukamutini kumanya abataka umanyere ntyo byo kutumbanze binji community umuntu shabundi njyana ndikateka bandi bitakushemeza muno rwutoru ugiye kunabe ndikora bakanchiriza ngo wete Frank Bashija road namwe kanati yuna kapa aje kutandikira nka aba scrap bija bari batwa ngo rwutoru nato mu government bakagazetinga bagita Frank Bashija road government nanguja kuja gukora kubona kongeraho ukana yene nanguja ikana nanguja twitwine twine bona ono twitwasya nkana twitwasyaho ngo bataka bagira diyo bagira inkaina na Richard bisho batano kunyumva kunyina no kunyumva jirani bashango bata para bineshonga zibenda na Richard basi twaro mu mateka basi twaro mateka mu icyakabi ugumana gwen batabura byo kutarwa Richard we nuko abantu binji twena wenu nyango mu kokonyina kokonyine eshonga n'umuntu kandi watabaza musigeze kandi abo ayo watabaza akwizo kimanya ngo ndachama na meya witu kitashobora mugeni akije yabashobora yabugira ataye mufana we habira tiritaka abira tirote imburare naza kuyiyo gutengwe icyo cyabamara batanga ngo bakoresha kwenda bonye unanisha ngo batakabiye tu baje mu kunguruye Uganda eje ne yitu twenda yakaseje ne yitu twenda none ndekadira ngo ndetse tutamenya ishomero rutiyambe munonga ishomero yo kureba bucanara abana abakushomezadamu busha abukurwa mu cyaro icyakabi infrastructure nkeje yaza hano n'ikindi cyo kureta njyawa ubana jo wareba za boda boda zikonze leta bana waremo twese kubanze leta bana ubwo mwanya ntekadira ngo mbiro bici mbiro bitari byahari uje kuba gwaba umwanya gwa gutanzira intunguka y'amana batubye ngo baguze byo kurya akaba inclination keji nuko kwene toche byawe nuguze bibiko emirimo abirahira abantu emirimo abana bomu baje ngombe kayishumira abana bomu nuko kayishumira mushi ikintu gice cyazo umwanya kikurete intunguka ibina nano kutambiyamba umhando ugu bwako kuzachikomera kagubihena konkatu kuyakozere ayashansirize kuyakozere na mkwasa twakora ati uri no mpanda nyigendo nugurga harguto kunetinga nanirwaro ikugurwinirwaro namwe bakazi bakarama abakazi bashungeze yuko tubakitegana barabaha bazayirwaro bazakora gusa
abanyita Wilson nkora mayiro munana ya stage kandi bakaterezo bohereza burundu bwishomereri uguma ndakaguruka umunongo nyumaho turiyombiye na ibyondo konka director w'ishomeri yatwora umuhanda gwabonera hatubwe namwe negeshaha cyatwora kubishanga bito umuhanda ogu sino kubasa kwambukira kuzayishomero kandi abantu turondo kutora bagara ishomero abwo umuhanda kwati no kubasa kubatwara kwabayiza gwita mwe n'abatakeje bakozere iki n'ikinte kitashikire hakogo umuhanda gwona nukwata buri yomwe buri muntu wa government n'umunyamahanga wena rukora muri yego umuhanda gwino muyamba kana gubugasira
amazina ninyeterwa umwe Fabian abataka mazima kwito muhanda gurukuza ayishomero ryitu kibonire abantu baba bayidai ati ishomero kanirga sera abantu bona nangwa nutari kuzayishomero narabya mu emereye aza kugitunda abone ntase so cyaba kirungi mwe n'umuhanda gukabye ni baguru bakora kubi munonga kwito muhanda wangi ekintu ekindi cyo buyudaya muto mu Yudaya we none umanye cyakora okay abebembezi tubashaba ngo batwirukirire babizemu barebe ngo muhanda bagutereza.
Amazina ganje ni Nyahereza Cristiano nzaro ya Rwakizi kureba ituri gishaha urugutor biranditse yambaho bintu byingi hati nkitwe nkabari isatu bento transporting gira amategito twantuza gatwara nkada yari nkato bisura umuhanda twineho transporting gira ibintu good zito iki kikoro bakoze ikikoro cyo butemu bakaba kikozoroho konkani twije yankito nkabari isatu wayikoramo mu twigura umuhanda Calvert says twazigura amizgatanga kutambura konkati tugire kwije mu kasheshe twashanga banancere bagarukire bahatimba so tushaba government etiyambe ikikanisa bataka